checks variable type, JavaScript series. In this video we'll check how can we identify type of variables. So let us start. On my screen, as usual, I use input element here with h1 tag and then go to the JavaScript file. Here I mention output element in a variable. First of all, let boolean value, it always return true or false value. Then let number value 59, let string value gmk. I just type here boolean value. It will show just true as a value of boolean, but I want to show type of this variable, so I just type of boolean. Value is boolean and number value its number. It's just very difficult to use in a large application. For reusable purpose, I going to declare a small function here. Function check var type. Function parameter is x, then return x type of x. Let's check x as a string. If I pass here 5, it will return number, and I mention here string value, it will return string 2. Two different value we can return, just like value and type of variable, both. It's depend on our requirement. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.